Hey guys, how's it going? Hope everybody's well. Guess what we're about to get into today? So, guys, guess what? Listen, I think I've been waiting my whole life for this, honestly. As you guys know, I'm a Fenty girl. You know, BIM all day long. You know, what are you gonna do? Anyways, so Rihanna dropped a powder foundation. So let's be honest, I've never used, actually, that's a lie. I used to use the MAC powder foundation, but that was before I knew what I was doing, okay? You know, the days when you just used to put on powder foundation and then just put on mascara and you were done? Those days. So we have this now. I don't know how to use it, okay? But I've seen a couple reviews and I'm gonna try my best. I have not opened it. Sean wouldn't let me. So I don't even know what to, I'm actually so excited. Okay, so we're just gonna get into it. A little unboxing for you guys. So I picked up the color 390. This is not sponsored. I don't have a PR package, so I bought it with my own money. So I only got one. But she did say, Rihanna did say that you can pair your foundation with the powder, so it should match up. So I'm the color 390 in the liquid foundation, the Pro Matte Filter foundation. So I picked that up in the powder, so let's see. Okay, so you take it out, it comes in this little box thing here. Oh, it's so pretty. Guys, this is really pretty. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It comes in this little white compact. It's a little rattly. It comes in this white compact, which is really cute. It's like, I have pretty big hands, but it's a good size. On the back, it just shows you what it is with your color, you know. I'm looking at this and it looks kind of dark still, I'm not gonna lie. It looks kind of dark, but let's open it up. Okay, ready? Oh, no. I don't know what it looks like on camera. It might be a little, in the mirror, it looks like it might be okay. So it has a, does it have a thing on it? Okay, well, it comes with this little mirror, which is nice. And then the, I would stick my entire thumb in it. Well, my life is Lee. This is absolutely something I would do. Anyways, it's gone. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. Okay, so I have to go back. I'm actually so embarrassed. I'm so sorry. Anyways, so it comes with another compartment. Oh, and this is kind of like a little mirror at the bottom too. That's cool. So you kind of like have two mirrors. It's not actually a mirror, but like it's clear enough that you could use it as a mirror, definitely. And then it comes with a little sponge. It is a little thin or whatever, but it's, I mean, do you expect her to give you like a beauty blender? Like, but it looks good for what it is. This is what it is. So we're gonna get into it, guys. Okay, so that is one brow. Okay guys, so I decided to do my brows off camera. Not really sure what this brow looks like, but that's okay. So we are now at the part where we're about to get into this. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna use my Fenty concealer in 390, and I'm just gonna color correct a couple of spots. Some people just don't like powder foundations. I'm not opposed to it. I mean, like I said, started out using powder foundation before I really knew what I was doing when it comes to makeup. And yeah, you know what, guys? Here's the thing. I don't think I'm gonna Sorry, I set my lid with Fenty setting powder, cashew. I set my lids with some of that, but I don't think I'm gonna use eyeshadows today. I think I'm just gonna go straight into it. So I did that. Then I'm gonna grab the Juvia's Place concealer again, and now I'm gonna get into the actual thing. So for what I've seen, people just concealed their under eyes. Like, you know, the regular spots, T-zone, all of it. And then just added the powder foundation to the spots where they didn't conceal. So I'm gonna try it. I'm actually a little bit nervous. I'm not gonna front on nobody because I've never done this. See what I mean? I need another one. It's almost empty. I'm like scraping it out. God. Okay, so here we go. Ciao. I am el nervioso. Spanish for nervous. No, it's not. I'm just kidding. So, from what I saw, you take the little beauty blender or the little sponge thing and you press it in. You like, you know, you get your product, I should say. Okay. And then you're supposed to press it into your... You're supposed to press it into your skin. I think I did a little too much there. I can fix it, right? Okay. Okay. So it's supposed to be like a your skin but better type deal. I mean, I'm not mad at it. Can you guys even see it? I added way too much right here. Oh my gosh. But I'm not mad at this, to be honest. So yeah, you're supposed to just press it and then just press it into your skin. That's what they were saying. So yeah, like I said, it's supposed to be like a your skin but better type deal. A less, I guess. It's supposed to be still full coverage, like medium to full, I guess, however you decide to like pack it on or whatever. But I'm not mad at this. I'm sorry. What? Okay, well, I ruined my nose, but you know, whatever. Okay. So that was this. So I'm going to take... I'm just use the same beauty blender. I use the bottom. Okay, so it's damp. It's not soaking wet. It's damp. And I'm just gonna... Hello? Okay. I don't know if I see anything. I'm like wiping it. Okay, so here's the thing. $3.90 was a great match. I'm wondering if this is too wet. It's damp, but it's not like soaking wet. Oh, hold on, there we go. Okay guys, let me finish my face and then I'll come back with final thoughts. How about that? That's what we'll do. I'm gonna continue to apply this and then I'll come back with final thoughts because I don't know how I feel. I don't know how to feel. Okay guys, so I applied it. I will say this. The more you add, the cakier you will look, only because it's already a powder, right? So, I mean, I don't feel like I added too much, but I did use the sponge to apply. And I personally felt like I got a better application using the sponge. I am wondering if, though, my beauty blender was a little too damp, right? I did just you know, wet it or whatever. So it might have been a little too damp. But I finished applying with the little applicator that they gave you. But other than that, I mean, not like, obviously I can't do a wear test or anything like that, but it's not bad. It's not bad. I do like it, I will say. You know, not sponsored. I do like it. It did cover up some, like, you know, dark spots and stuff like that. Not like totally. You can still see, even though I did conceal, you can still see them a little bit. I don't know if anybody else can see that on camera, but it's not bad. I would keep this like as like in my bag, like as an emergency type thing. Like, you know, if I didn't know that I was going to be on camera or something like that, and I'd whip this out and just like, you know, do a little whatever. I also, like, I would add this to my regimen. I wouldn't like get rid of it. Here's the thing. This is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking that this could be like a touch-up powder, if that makes sense. If you hear what I'm saying, do you get where I'm coming from? So like, you know, throughout the day, whenever you're getting a little greasy, you pull this out, little poop, poop, plat, plat, you know? That is what this would do. I don't know if I would replace liquid foundation with this, to be honest. Just being honest. But I do like it because, you know, Fenty to the world. What? You dumb? Like, but guys, that is my final review on the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation. I like it. I really do. I think out of 10, I'd probably give it an 8. I'd give it a solid 8. A smooth 8, I would give it, honestly. But, I mean, she did say that the color that you are in the liquid foundation, the soft matte foundation, should be the same color that you are in this, or it would make it easy to find your color. But I mean, this is the 390. I find that the 390 works for me anyways. So guys, go pick you up one of these. I mean, honestly, everybody's like opinion on it might be different. Your skin might react differently to it. Again, like I said, I didn't do a wear test. This is the same me that was the same me half an hour ago. Like, but I enjoyed it. I did, and I would use it again, honestly. So yeah, go pick it up. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. Share with a friend, you know what I mean? Come back for more videos. I mean, I got a lot of stuff for you guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.